Guess where we brought them, guys? Look at this, eh? Look at this. They've never been so happy.
It's wonderful here.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Absolutely.
We've brought them to the hot springs. Look at it. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's got a lot better since the last time we came as well. Now the hot springs bubbles up from the ground, and all the cold water comes from the mountain, down the mountain. It flattens out a bit up there, and when the water comes down they can divert some of it into the pools here, and then the rest just overflow, just comes down here. And look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't that great? It's ages. We're not coming here for the day. If you come up to the hot springs, you're allowed 15 minutes just to have a look around to see if you want to come here, which I think is great because they know when you see it you'll come. Now that's one of the hot springs, that's another one. That you can go in that one, but they've lowered the water in there for some reason. I think you can see it bubbling at the floor. You can look. Well, I can see it. I don't know if you can see it with the GoPro. But the water's crystal clear. Whether it looks clear or not, that's the floor. Crystal clear, and it's lovely and hot. If you like that kind of thing, obviously. We've been here at least 4 times. There's a slide, look. Well, in fact, we'll have to bring the kids. We'll have to bring the kids. I said I wouldn't come back because I was steering a lot of foreigners to here and getting them a lot of business and bringing foreigners, and I asked for a little bit of discount for me and Mel, and they wouldn't give me any discount, so I spat the dummy out, said I wouldn't do it again. But I think for a change we'll bring the kids here. But just let me, they're loving it, they're absolutely loving it. They're going to come back and relax. Like I say, this is the restaurant bit. So you can either bring your own picnic, guys, or go to the restaurant. You can get a beer or 3. And if you look in front there, you can stay overnight in some of them chalets.
There's a zip bike, 250.
Yeah,
Going back and
250 for the zip bike.
Try.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't we bring the kids here instead of taking them to the beach?
Yeah.
We'll just bring them here.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah, we'll come tomorrow. If the weather's like this, we'll come tomorrow. The kids will love it here. Absolutely love it. So, if you've got a beautiful Filipina wife or a Filipina girlfriend and you've got a big family, this is the place to come. They'll love you. They'll absolutely love you. So, what I did when I first come, I went into the hot springs, then me being me, I jumped into this, and this is a cold pool, and about had a heart attack. Look at that. What do you think, guys? Leave your comments. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get alerted to our next video. Right, we've just made some new friends. Look at this. Hey, now this is how beautiful the Filipino heart is. They don't know us and they're asking us to get involved and have a shot. Now, would that happen in the West? I think not. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Now, I can't promise you that I'll do this with every foreigner couple that comes. But like I've said in the past, guys, if we can help you out in any way, we will try. We'll never promise, but we'll try. And on this occasion, we're available. So we're just riding them around. And there's no money involved. We're not asking, we don't want any money. We're doing it because we appreciate most of the ones that we meet have followed us for years, and it's our little thank you. Let's have a look on the bridge. It's our little thank you. It's not a big thank you, is it? It's just a little thank you for your kindness over the years. Ooh, oh, it's wobbling. Oh God, get Mel on here. That'd be great. Should be screening. Look at that. See if the battery's not gone yet. The battery's just about to go. Look at that. So you can see in the top, it's where the bike stops, look. You can pedal back. Been on it, did a video on it. Oh God, a few years ago now, before the pandemic. Woo! There you go. So I'm going to get to Mel quick before the battery runs out. I'll try and get. So it's over to you, Mel.
Please
My
hit
battery's
the
about
like
to go.
button and please subscribe and share video. Bye guys.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We